What's up, you guys? Welcome to Dance with BS, Versatile's online street dance tutorial. My name is Anthony, aka Barry Groove, and today we're going to be learning the BANKHEAD bounce. Let's get started. So a little history on the BANKHEAD bounce. The BANKHEAD bounce is named after a small neighborhood in Atlanta, Georgia. This dance is super simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to be picking our shoulders up and dropping them. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Kind of creating a bounce with just our shoulders. Let's pick up the speed a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's pick up the speed a little bit more. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the same time, our arms are going to be up, right? Kind of being in a fist if you like. So we're going to have them right here. And what we're going to be doing at the same time, we're going to be cross, open, cross, open. At the same time, our shoulders are bouncing. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time facing the front. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the same time, you gotta add your own little swag, your own little sway, your own little feeling, right? It's from the South, so they had this little swag about it whenever they were doing the BANKHEAD bounce. Yeah? So let's try with some music.
And now you've got yourself something funky.
And that was the base of the BANKHEAD bounce. You can add your own swag to it, where you're giving me levels, where you're doubling up on your shoulders, whatever you feel. Remember, it's a social party dance, so you just vibing out to the music. Thank y'all for joining me. If you like what you saw, like, comment, and subscribe. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at VersatileLA. If you want to know more about me, you can follow me on Instagram at AnthonyBerry76. Hope to see y'all soon. Peace.